will be making baked donuts. They are not fried and made out of chocolate cake box. The ingredients are 4 eggs, 80 grams of melted butter, 200 grams of milk, and then we have our chocolate cake mix. And here we have our milk, eggs, butter, melted butter. And then we are going to mix those ingredients together. And then we are going to add our coffee, also a little bit of vanilla. But I don't know if you actually have ever tried to change a little bit the recipe of a cake box. But yeah, this is a good way. And it works great and it tastes very, very, very good. Okay, everything until well combined. And this is it. Easy. Then you lift your piping bag and you twist it. So you secure the bag, twist, and then you cut this part here. You spray your tray. So we are ready. Okay, we're just going to pipe it. Not too much though. So just a little bit more than half, okay? So we are ready here to bake them at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. That's what it takes. 12 minutes and your donuts are going to be ready. Here we have our donuts. They look beautiful. They are soft with a great cake consistency. So now let's talk about chocolate. Chocolate, guys. These are my candy melts, and how to melt chocolate candy melts in the microwave for 30-second intervals. 30 seconds at the time, no more, because this can also burn. I'm going to show you how the chocolate in the microwave looks like after 30 seconds plus 30 seconds. There we go. So that's all it takes. So what I'm going to do today, if you have something like this and you are a little bit afraid of dipping your donuts, you can totally use this one and just put your chocolate on it. So same thing here, and everything is going to be nice and clean. Then with the chocolate that goes at the bottom, you can reuse it, guys. Do not waste anything. And here I'm going to put one heart. For the drizzling. Ziploc bag, you don't need anything fancy, okay? Ziploc bag, you just pour the chocolate into the corner of the Ziploc bag, and then once again you twist it because you want to secure it. And we are going to do another one right in the corner here. There we go. You need just a little bit because this is drizzling. And I always say to practice a little bit before starting. So just go back and forth, and then very quickly. And here, same thing. You start from far a little bit, get comfortable, and boom, quick. And there we go. And you have your donuts. There you go. Hey, let me know what you think. If you like, please send some hearts. I hope you like the class. I'm gonna try this one. It tastes so good. Guys, with a little bit of coffee and the butter that makes everything better, vanilla, just a few ingredients.